until I can get my undertail installed, gonna deal with the big ugly thing, but I got my other lights on. They look really good. I like them. I just got to wire in the running lights for the front, because if you don't, it doesn't go all the way out. Looks like I got a little bit of adjusting to do too, but they stay steady on in white. Alright. Well, I decided I'm going to hold off on making any of the mods until I get the motor broke in a little bit, so hopefully I can kind of get a feel for what it is stock, and see what the full advantage of all the upgrades I'm going to be making are. So I'm just sitting here admiring it. Did a 1 mile test ride around the neighborhood just a minute ago. It's a lot of fun. I like it. So gonna ride it to work in the morning, see what happens. Alright, talk to y'all guys later.